My video will help you to remove malicious pop-up windows that are related to the website simplebrowsing.com. Simplebrowsing.com is a really dangerous site that targets Google Chrome and other browsers. It actually tries to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software, which actually may function as adware by displaying a lot of intrusive pop-up ads. So speaking about these pop-ups by simplebrowsing.com, be extremely careful and don't tolerate them. Such pop-ups are deceptive. So just leave this page. And of course, I would recommend you to additionally investigate the system with Combo Cleaner. First thing, of course, you could do is check the control panel and uninstall any suspicious applications if you find them on the list. But Combo Cleaner is a much better solution because it will help you to detect and eliminate all other possibly hidden threats. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start researching the system with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.